Hey world, what's going on? Today we have a 16 gigabyte generic USB flash drive from a customer here in South Boston, Massachusetts. When we cracked the flash drive open, the chip that stores the files popped out. So it looks like somebody has already worked on it. We can kind of tell based on the flux and the residue and the bent chips on the chip. So right now we are just cleaning it up like this and preparing it for a chip off reading procedure and see if we can recover the files. This is actually part of the diagnostic process. We're just trying to get an idea and see if the recovery is possible. So we have already like straightened out some of the pins, and hopefully we're gonna get good contact and see if we can recover the files with the customer. If you need help, you can find us at datarecoveryguru.com. Thank you.